Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we are doing issue 56 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future Delorean. Okay, so in issue 56 we get the circuit board so we can start plugging all of these little plugs that we've got in. Let me show you what we've got to do in this one. So as you can see, we get our circuit board in there, just like that. Lots of plugging in points. I've got lots more wires to do. This should be pretty straightforward because all we've got to do, as you can see, we get all these wires and cables. But all we've got to do is take, say like this cable, which is number 1, plug it into number 1, this cable, and this cable, 2 and 3, and so on and so on. So the actual cable that's got the number on the side is getting plugged into the corresponding pin for that one, all the way along. And we're going to attach that to the actual back of the bulkhead part that we put on, and we're going to start attaching the wires that come up from behind underneath the center console. They're going to come around and start plugging in as well. And at the end we should have something that looks a little like that. So as you can see, we're doing lots of plugging in. When we've got the circuit board on, we're going to be plugging in lots of wires, so it should be quite straightforward. Everything should be labelled nicely for us. So let's get the parts open and start building. Right, okay, so here we are. We've got our circuit board out, and as you can see, numbered down the sides, we've got number 1 through to 13, number 14 through to 23 on this side. We've got the bit in here which is for our 1 to 6 switch, and our power point is just here. So let's start plugging these in. So starting from number 1, which is the pure white cable, and it also has the number 1 written down the side. That's going to get plugged into the one with the number 1, and it has the actual print of the number 1 facing out the way. So I'm going to do exactly the same, just like that. So that's sort of what you want to try and go for with the 1 facing out the way. So next up, you guessed it, we've got number 2. So look for number 2 on the side there, and keep in with that. We're going to keep the number 2 on the outside just there, just like that. And moving on, we can just carry on with these. Number 3, so get plugged into here, just like so. And also number 4 as well. So you've got number 4 printed on here, and also you've got this sticker down here, that's to identify this side. So let's plug this one in as well, just like that. Next we're going to skip 5 and 6, and we're going to move down to number 7. So here's number 7, which is the yellow and blue. So if you want me to tell you the colours, the number 1 is all white, number 2 is orange and white, number 3 is all orange, number 4 is orange and black, number 7 is blue and yellow. That's what we've got so far. So next we're going to skip round, and we're going to skip all of these ones, and we're going to go to number 13, and that's going to go just in here, just like that. So at the moment you should have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 and 13 all down there, just like that. So next we're going to turn this round as we're working on this side now. So now we're going to need, we're not going to use these ones just yet, we're going to move down to the bottom ones. We're going to use number 20 and 21. So number 20 is the orange and green one, so let's plug number 20 in. And what way is this facing? Just double check. These are also facing out, so this is going to go just in here, just like that. So you want the number 20 facing out again, and number 21 is just going to go next to it. So let's plug that one in as well, just there, just like that. So at the moment that's what we should have: 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 13, 20 and 21. Okay, so next we're bringing in our actual central console piece here. This is where we're going to be working, just here. So we're going to put this on, and we want the ones that's going to go this way round. You want this white, big white plug bit at the top. So it's going to sit on there, just like that. That's the way round you want it, just like that. So we need 4 FP screws to secure this on. So let's get the RFP screws open and start screwing this on. Okay, so we've got our FP screw, and we're just going to start in one of the corners and line up the hole and start securing that down Doesn't like that hole, that one. Come on, let's try the bottom one. I think that screw is actually wonky. Never had that before where a screw is actually wonky and bent, but let's try again with a different screw this time. That's better. So don't over tighten this, you just want to put this just hand tight, just to nip it to the actual bulkhead, because once you've got all 4 screws in here, it ain't going to move. So there's no need to go over tighten it. The last thing you want to do is over tighten it and actually start cracking the circuit board, which you don't want to do. That's that one in. 2 more to go in these 2 holes down the bottom now. So let's get this one in. There we are, and the very last screw in this last hole just down here. Just like that. And that's our circuit board attached just on there, just like that. I do believe the 1 to 6 wireless switch circuit board we can put over here in a little while's time, but I'm going to leave it off just for now, just until this is actually on the car itself. Okay, so now we're going to start plugging in these cables. I've moved these 2 out of the way because these are for the LEDs on the top of the 1 to 6 switch. So these ones we're going to need number 5, which is the all yellow one just here, and that's going to get plugged in just down here. So we can maneuver this across, and that's going to get plugged into number 5. Just turn it over, make sure we're plugging it into the right one, push it all the way down, and there we go. Okay, so the next one is number 18. So let's look for number 18, which is this one, the yellow and orange. So number 18, coming through here, and let's plug that one onto there. Just like that. That's number 18 now in there. Let me move that cable out of the way so you can see. Now number 17 going in next to that one. So let's turn that around and plug that one in there as well. Number 17. No, I've just plugged that in number 19. Make sure you get it in the right one, which is that side of number 18. I put it in that one there. So yeah, we're all right now. Last but not least, that leaves us with number 14. So that one goes right at the top. You push that one all the way around. That's going down onto number 14. Let's make sure our wires ain't overstretched. It's very good. There we are. So we're plugged in. We have got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 13 on that side. On this side we've got 14, 17, 18, 20 and 21 just down here. So these cables are obviously going to be going to the back of the car, so we don't have to worry about these ones for now. These ones are going to get plugged into the power mod or the model mod circuit board over this side, so we don't need to worry about them. So yeah, looking very, very cool. And that's what you should have once that issue is complete. So coming up next time, we're going to have the bulkhead, but this time we've got the upper part of the bulkhead. So we're going to be adding all the details onto the upper bulkhead, the Christmas tree and everything. So that's it guys, that's issue 56 all done and dusted. We're now moving on to issue 57, which I'll try and get out over the next couple of days where we start the upper bulkhead. So if you like this video guys, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.